what I have today for you is a vlogging screen. So this is what you get in the box. USB A to C cable, USB C to C cable, the remote, phone clamp. This is the monitor. And the cool thing about the monitor, it's magnetic. The back is magnetic. Let me set it up, show you how this works. You're going to need your phone, clamp it in. As soon as you power it on, it will give you instructions, yeah? It will create a network, a Wi-Fi network on the phone that you connect to. Click connect. You'll get the password on the screen. If you have an iPhone and you've already connected your iPhone to the device's network, you're going to the slide down menu on your right. There is the mirroring option on the network, so you click that. And as soon as I click that, it's going to mirror my phone. And if I turn on my camera, it's going to launch the camera and show me exactly what I'm seeing on the iPhone in real time, yeah? And there is barely any lag. All you're going to do is magnetize it at the back, and it's going to show you exactly what you're saying. This is filming off the iPhone, and if you're a solo shooter like me, you have more flexibility in terms of recording. So right now I can start and start recording. Start, stop, recording with ease. I don't have to worry about someone monitoring for me or whatever. Those are extra expenses. Most of us solo shooters, we have a very small budget, and this is where such devices come in. They make your shooting life so easy, and that is why this KingMa vlogging screen is very handy, especially for people who are on a budget and you don't have so many people to help you shoot.